Alright, so you have some kind of Google form that you took questions on. And this is what it looks like. You can get some very easy graphs just by going to responses. You can see people's distributions of their scores. You can see their score. It'll break it down by periods for you. So you can easily just copy and paste that chart. There's some other ones. But you may not get all of your data, so in the top right under responses, you're going to click on this green one called Create Spreadsheet. It's going to ask you, where do you want to place this? So I'm just going to create a new spreadsheet. Hide that, so you can hide information that you may not want to hide column. You'll notice it skips letters here. So the columns are by letters, A, B, C, D, E, and then the rows are by numbers. So for example, if I say the scores are in column C, and this student's specific score is in column C, row 2. So we call this C2. And when you click on it, you have it there. Let's just say my students did not take it in order, right? I gave it first period, second period, fourth period. Let's just say a student, like, they ran out of class, they totally forgot about it, didn't submit, opened it back up. Like, oh shoot, it's fourth period, let me submit it. So you can just click on this arrow here. And you can sort the sheet A to Z or Z to A. And the nice thing about it is all the data and the rows will move with it. So how would I get a graph from just say what period I want? Yours may be hidden, mine is. You can click on this one or the 3 dots. And then you're going to go to this one called Insert Chart. Insert Chart. Alright, a couple other things I want to show you. If you don't like your chart, you can just delete it. Let's just say you do like your chart. Oh, sorry. Let's just say you do like your chart. You can download it as a picture or a PDF. I don't know what that one is. Probably for other stuff. Publishing the chart, I think you get a website link. Copy the chart, you can do that, copy and paste. Yeah, so you can do any of those. So my data here is categorical, it's non-quantitative. Highlight it. What that is. You can customize it. So maybe you want to change the background color. If you want a border. Takes away the title. Maybe you want a donut hole. Border color, slice label. Oh, we already have the labels on them, but I think you can annotate or change it. Pie slice. Maybe you want to change the colors. Probably a bad idea. If you want to change the titles, they're already there for you, kind of auto. If you want to make your font size bigger, didn't change it. And a legend. Minecraft doesn't have a legend. Okay, so my legend, I guess, is just the slices already kind of annotated on the side. But now you guys know how to create charts and data from your from your spreadsheets.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.